class. Students, in the previous class we have learned about equations, we have learned about variables, expressions, and we have also solved the equations using the trial and error method. Now in today's class we will be solving the equations by an alternative method. Now students, consider an equality here. It is 8 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 1. Here this is an equality because here there are no variables on both the sides, LHS and RHS. So here if it contains a variable, it is called an equation. So this is an equality. Now if we add 2 to both sides of the equality, minus 3 plus 2. LHS will be 8 minus 3 plus 2. It will be 5 plus 2, 7. Now, if we add 2 to the RHS also, the RHS will be 4 plus 1 plus 2. It is 5 plus 2, 7. Now here students, you can see that the equality still holds here because the new LHS formed is equal to 7 and also the new LHS formed is equal to 7. Here the equality still holds if we add 2 to both sides of the equality. Now students, if we subtract from both sides of the equality, LHS is here 8 minus 3. If we subtract 2 from 8 LHS of the equality, it will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. Next, if we subtract 2 from the RHS also, RHS here is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 minus 2, it is 5 minus 2. 3. So here also students, you can find that the new LHS formed and RHS formed are equal. That is that they are both equal to 3. So if we subtract 2 from both sides of the equality, this equality still holds. So what we can conclude here, we can conclude that if we add 2 to both sides of the equality or subtract 2 from both sides of the equality still holds. That is, if we add or subtract any number from both sides of the equality still holds. Now what about if we multiply or divide same numbers from the left hand side and right hand side of the equality? Let us see. Let us take the equality 8 minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1 0. Now multiply both sides of the equality by 3. LHS here is 8 minus 3. So if we multiply the LHS by 3 into is 8 minus 3. 3 into 8 minus 3 is 5. It is 15 here the LHS. If we multiply 3 to the LHS of the equality, it becomes 15. Now here RHS is 4 plus 1. If we multiply the RHS by 3, that is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Now here students, you can see that RHS, when we multiply 3 to the both sides of the equality, the LHS, the new LHS formed and RHS formed are equal here. Both are equal to 15. So what we can say? We can say that if we multiply the both sides of the equality by the same number, the equality still holds. Now students, when we divide both sides of the equality, when we divide both sides of the equality by a non-zero number, what will happen? Let us see. Now 8 minus 3, the LHS of the equality is 8 minus 3. We will divide it by 2. Let us divide it by 2. So 8 minus 3 divided by 2 is 5 by 2. Now the RHS of the equality is 4 plus 1. When we divide the RHS by 2, it will be 4 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Here also the new LHS formed and RHS formed are equal. So what we can conclude, students? We can say that we can add, subtract, multiply or divide the same number from both sides of the equality still holds. Students, if we are taking any other equality also, then also these conclusions hold. That is, we can add any number to both sides of the LHS and RHS of an equality. The equality still holds, or multiply or divide or subtract any number from both sides of the equality still holds. Now students, if we are not following these rules, we are not observing these rules, that is we are adding different numbers on both the sides of the equality or subtracting different numbers from both sides of the equality, then the equality doesn't hold. Now students, you already know that an equation is an equality involving variables. Equation में क्या होता है? Variables भी होता है, या तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होता है या राइट हैंड साइड में एक वेरिएबल होता है, उसी को हम इक्वेशन बोलते हैं. सो इक्वालिटी के लिए जो हमने रूल्स देखे, ये सब जो हमने पाया है कि ये सब सही है, तो वो जो है इक्वेशन के लिए भी सही होगा. सो फॉलोइंग दिस रूल्स वी कैन सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, ए बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन इज लाइक ए वेइंग बैलेंस. इसमें क्या होता है, दोनों वेइंग बैलेंस तो आपने देखा होगा, इसमें जो है जब दोनों पैन्स में इक्वल वेट होता है तो वो जो हॉरिजॉन्टल में रहता है उसका आर्म जो है हॉरिजॉन्टल पोजीशन में रहता है, और जब इक्वल वेट नहीं रहता है तो जो आर्म है वो टिल्टेड हो जाता है. तो हम जो है यहाँ पर इक्वेशन को वेइंग बैलेंस से कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, जिसमें कि दोनों पैन्स में इक्वल वेट होगा. Students, now let us solve some equations here. The first one is x plus 3 equal to 8 here. So we will following the rules that we have studied now and solve these equations. So first here, the x plus 3 is equal to 8 here. Here we will add subtracting 3 from both sides of the equation. We get x plus 3 minus 3. From the LHS we have subtracted 3, and from the RHS also subtract 3. So here plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled. Here we will get only x. 8 minus 3 is 5. So now this is the solution of the equation. X is equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. So here we can check the solution also. Is it correct or not? You can check it. Put the value of x is equal to 5 in the original equation. X plus 3 equal to 8. X LHS is x plus 3. In place of x, put x is equal to 5. Then 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, which is equal to the RHS. So our solution is correct. So here the solution to the equation is x is equal to 5. Why you subtracted 3 from the equation, not any other number? यहाँ पर 3 हमने क्यों सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है? क्योंकि हमें जो है यहाँ पर x को सेपरेट करना था, जो नंबर से वेरिएबल को हमें जो है सेपरेट करना है. सॉल्यूशन लाने के लिए वेरिएबल को जो है वहाँ से सेपरेट करना है, अलग करना है. इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे x 3 के साथ में एडिशन में था, इसीलिए हमने वहाँ पर 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, ताकि जो है 3 यहाँ पर कैंसिल हो जाए और x रह जाए. x को सेपरेट करने के लिए हमने जो यहाँ पर 3 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है दोनों साइड से. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन इज x minus 3 equal to 10. So here यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे? एडिंग 3 टू बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन. हमें x को सेपरेट करना है वहां से, इसलिए हम ऐड करेंगे दोनों तरफ 3. Now x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 will be cancelled, it will equal to 0. Next x is equal to 10 plus 3, that is 13. That is the solution to the equation. You can check it. Check the solution. Put x is equal to 3 in the original equation, x minus 3 equal to 10. In place of x, here LHS is x minus 3. In place of x, we will put 13. 13 minus 3 is 10, which is equal to the RHS. So our solution is correct. Like this you can check the solutions. Now here also we have added 3 to both sides of the equation to separate the variable x. Next equation is 5y is equal to 35. So here the equation is 5y is equal to 35. Here we will be dividing both sides of the equation by 5. Dividing both sides of the equation by 5. What we will get? 5y divided by 5 is equal to 35 by 5. So here 5 and 5 will cancel this 2 5. Here only y, 35 divided by 5 is 5 7s are 35. So the solution to the equation is y equal to 7. You can check the solution. The original equation is 5y is equal to 35. Put y is equal to 7. LHS becomes 5y is equal to 5 into 7, that is 35. 5 7s are 35, that is equal to the RHS. So our solution is correct. So here the next equation is m by 2 is equal to 5. Here multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2. We get m by 2 into 2, 5 into 2. So here the 2 will cancel. M is equal to 5 to the 10. The solution to the equation is m is equal to 10. You can also check the solution. The equation is m by 2 equal to 5. Put the value of m is equal to 10. LHS is m by 2 here. 10 divided by 2, it is equal to 5, which is equal to the RHS. So here our solution is correct. Now students, what do you observe here? Here to solve this equation we have subtracted, added or multiply or divide by the same numbers to the from the both sides of the equation. So here the operation we have to do depends upon the equation. Equation को देख के हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा ऑपरेशन करना है, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन या डिवीजन, और किस नंबर से करना है. इक्वेशन को देख के हम डिसाइड करते हैं और ये जो है 2 स्टेप या 1 स्टेप में हम जो है इक्वेशन को ऐसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 4.2. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज give the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. Number 1, it is x minus 1 equal to 0. So here we have to solve this equation. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So you have to separate the variable. You have to give the step to separate the variable. How will you separate the variable here from minus 1? So here we have to adding. The step is here adding 1 to both sides of the equation. X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. It is x here, it is 0 plus 1 is 1. So the solution is x is equal to 1. So the step was adding 1 to both the sides of the equation. So we have arrived at the solution, x is equal to 1. Now we can also check the solution by putting x is equal to 1 in the original equation. In the LHS, 1 minus 1 it is equal to 0. Now the second one is x plus 6 equal to 2. Now x plus 6 is equal to 2. Here we have to separate the variable x. So we will be here subtracting. The step is here the subtracting 6 from both sides of the equation. X plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. So here plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled. This x is equal to, what is 2 minus 6? 2 minus 6 is minus 4. The solution to the equation is x is equal to minus 4. Here also you can check it. You can put the value of x is equal to minus 4 in the original equation, that is minus 4 plus 6. It is 6 minus 4 equal to 2, that is equal to RHS. So here the third equation is y minus 4 equal to 7. So first we have to give the step to separate the variable. Here what is the step to separate the variable? Adding 4 to both sides of the equation. Adding 4 to both sides of the equation. Y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 7 plus 4. Minus 4 and plus 4 get cancelled. It is y minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. So the solution to the equation is y equal to minus 3. You can check the solution. Put the value of y as minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 4 is, when added, it will get minus 7, which is equal to the RHS. The fourth equation is y plus 4 equal to minus 4. Here the equation is y plus 4 equals minus 4. So here to separate the variable, what is the step here? You have to subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. Subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. Y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Plus 4 and minus 4 get cancelled. Y is equal to minus 4 minus 4, it is minus 8. So the solution to the equation is y equal to minus 8. You can also check it. Put the value of y is equal to minus 8 in the original equation. It is minus 8 plus 4, that is equal to minus 4. So checking the solution is a good practice, students. You should always check the solutions after you have obtained it. Now students, second question. Give the step you will use to separate the variable and solve the equation. The equation 1 is 3l is equal to 42. Here the variable is l. 3l is equal to 42. Now already I have told you students, the operation you have to do depends upon the equation. यहाँ equation देख के आपको decide करना पड़ता है कि कौन सा operation हम करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर 3 is multiplied by l, so here we have to divide both the sides by 3. So dividing both sides, the step is dividing both sides of the equation by 3. What we will get? 3l divided by 3 is 42 divided by 3. So here we will cancel this 3. So it is here l only, here 3 ones are 3, 1 remaining 12, 3 fours are 12. So the solution is l is equal to 14. L is equal to 14 is the solution to this equation. You can also check the solution by putting the value of L is equal to 14 in the original equation. So 3L is equal to 3 into 14, it is equal to 42. The next equation is V by 2 is equal to 6. Here the operation that we have to do here is we have to multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. हमें जो है वेरिएबल को सेपरेट करना होता है, इसीलिए हम इक्वेशन को देख के डिसाइड करते हैं कि कौन सा ऑपरेशन हम करेंगे. सो यहाँ पर b को सेपरेट करना है. द वेरिएबल इज b, So to separate b, so we have to multiply both sides by 2. तभी यहाँ पर जो है 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और हमें b जो है सेपरेट होके मिल जाएगा. The variable b is equal to 6 into 2, 12. So the solution to the equation is 6. b is equal to 12. Next, the question number 3. A by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. Here, multiply both sides of the equation by 5. 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम जो है वेरिएबल a को सेपरेट करने के लिए. a by 5 into 5 is equal to 7 by 15 into 5. Here these two 5's cancel, we will cancel this. A is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 3's are 15. A is equal to 7 by 3. The solution to the equation is A is equal to 7 by 3. Next, it is question number 4. The equation is 20t is equal to minus 10. Here we will be dividing both the sides by dividing both sides of the equation by 20. 20 से क्यों डिवाइड करते हैं हम? यहाँ पे हमें वेरिएबल जो है t को सेपरेट करना है, so हम 20 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वेरिएबल सेपरेट हो जाएगा. 20t डिवाइडेड बाय 20 is equal to minus 10 by 20. So here this 20 cancel, will cancel this 20. T is equal to minus 10 by 20. You can cancel this 0. It is minus 1 by 2. Students, next question, question number 3. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here we have to give more than one step. इससे पहले हमने जो किया था उसमें एक स्टेप में ही हमारा सॉल्यूशन मिल गया था. यहाँ पे हमें 2 स्टेप्स देना पड़ेगा वेरिएबल को सेपरेट करने के लिए, इसके बाद हम सॉल्व करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को हम देखते हैं. 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. So here the first step, adding 2 to both sides of the equation. This is the step 1. Now 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 46 plus 2. It is here minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled. 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 is 48. So now the second step, dividing both sides by of the equation by 3. This is the step 2. Here 3n divided by 3 is equal to 48 divided by 3. Here we can cancel this 3. N is equal to 3 ones are 3, 1 remaining 18, 3 6 are 18. N is equal to 16. So the solution to the equation is N is equal to 16 here. Now the second question, 20p by 3 is equal to 40. Here the first step is multiplying both sides by 3. It is the first step here, step 1. 20p divided by 3 into 3 is equal to 40 into 3. So here we can cancel this 3. 20p is equal to 40 into 3 is 3 4 is 12, 120. 40 into 3 is 120. Now the second step, dividing both sides by 20. Step 2. 20p divided by 20 is equal to 120 divided by 20. Here we can cancel this 20. So here we can cancel this 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So the solution to the equation is P is equal to 6. The solution to the equation is P equal to 6. Now students, the question number 4, solve the following equations. The first equation is 10P plus 10 is equal to 100. So we have to solve this equation. So the first step, to remove the variable P, now subtracting 10 from both the sides. Subtracting 10 from both sides. P plus 10 minus 10. 100 minus 10. RHS से भी हम 10 subtract करेंगे, LHS से भी 10 subtract करेंगे. Plus 10 minus 10 will get cancelled. 10P is equal to 100 minus 10 is 90. Now students, dividing both the sides by 10. 10P divided by 10 is equal to 90 divided by 10. Here we will cancel this 10. 10 9s are 90. So the value of P is 9. The solution to the equation is P equal to 9. Next question, it is 3P by 4 is equal to 6. The first step will be multiplying 4 to both sides. 3P divided by 4 into 4 is equal to 6 into 4. This 4 will cancel. 3P is equal to 6 4s are 24. Now the second step is dividing both sides by 3. 3P divided by 3 is equal to 24 divided by 3. So here this 3 will cancel. P is equal to 3 8s are 24. So the solution to the equation is P is equal to 8. Next, the third equation, 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. The first step is subtracting 12 from both sides. 3s plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 minus 12. Here plus 12 and minus 12 will get cancelled. 3s is equal to 0 minus 12, it is minus 12. The next step is dividing both sides by 3. 3s divided by 3 is equal to minus 12 divided by 3. Here this 3 will get cancelled. So s is equal to 3 4s are 12. S is equal to minus 4. The solution to the equation is s is equal to minus 4. Next the question is, here the equation is 2q plus 6 equal to 0. The first step is subtracting 6 from both sides. 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 6. Here plus 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. 2q is equal to 0 minus 6 is minus 6 here. Now the second step is dividing both sides by 2. 2q divided by 2 is equal to minus 6 divided by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled. Q is equal to 2 3s are 6. It is minus 3. So the solution to the equation is Q is equal to minus 3. So with this we end this part of the lesson, simple equation. In the next part we will be solving some equation using the method of transposing. Thank you students.